Today we'll see databases versus Excel. I have listed 5 most important differences between databases and Excel. First difference point is data storage. When we talk about databases, it has a centralized structured storage. When we talk about Excel, it has a file-based cell organization where the data is stored. Now, talking about the scalability point, databases scales well for larger data sets and users. So if you're going to work on a larger data, then database is a good choice. Then Excel has a limited scalability for large data sets. So Excel can be used for smaller tasks. Considering next point, that is data integrity. Database maintains data integrity with ACID properties. ACID stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. If you want to know more about ACID properties, then I already have a video on it. Please do have a look at it. Talking about Excel, it has limited data integrity. Considering the next point, that is complexity. Database support complex relationships and queries. Whenever we have a complex relationships or connections between different data sources, then we can use databases. Talking about Excel, it has a limited support for complex data. Considering the last point, that is collaboration. Database facilitates multi-user access. That means multiple users can have a privilege to work on data or to have a look at it. Talking about Excel, it has a limited collaboration feature. I hope the major difference between databases and Excel is clear to you all. Okay, so I have to leave now. Till then, you watch this. Welcome to the day 6 of Decoding SQL.